Hello everybody, my name is Daryl Brower and I'm a broker with Blue Water Yacht Sales. And I'm very blessed to be part of a consortium. And this consortium buys and restores, refits, reclaims custom sport fish boats. As Chris Winters would say, we're keeping history alive. So join me today as we go through an early 58 Ritchie Howell custom sport fish here in Chatham Boat Works. So when we do these refits, basically everything is redone. What you see right now is pretty much the ugly duckling phase, I like to call it, of the refit process. You're seeing day-to-day construction. Everything that was old, rotten, wet has basically been ripped out, gutted out of this boat. Deck is new. As you can see, we're getting ready to install a fish box. You'll see a totally new mezzanine, all new boxes. The boat has been sanded, faired, finished, will be painted. It'll basically be a brand new boat with yacht quality finish. As we go through the boat, where I would normally be in the galley, there's normally a bar here, and then there'll be couches, salon, forward dash cabinets, new windows. The furniture is off the boat currently, and we're going to take a look at that later. Let's go down below. We're in the master stateroom. You can see the teak veneered dash and furniture. These guys are doing a great job. Have a first class finished carpenter, and it's what you'd expect to see if you were to go to any of our custom boat builders. If you were to go to Ritchie Shop, Jarrett Bay, John Bayless, Paul Spencer, it's going to be a yacht quality finish that's going to be very impressive. A lot of the furniture is already installed. Even to the Bilge and Lazarette area has all been sanded, refit, top coated. You'll be able to come in here with a paper towel and wipe everything down, clean it up. We don't have the best lighting, but we're in the forward VIP. There'll be cedar line lockers, teak veneer. As you can see, all the wiring's been redone, all the light fixtures, everything in the boat will be brand new. This is going to be a split over under. We'll have storage behind and underneath. Every bit of usable space will be accessible. You can never have too much storage on a boat. This is going to be, you can see the blocking that's going to receive the over and under Companionway bunks. There'll be a locker here. There's going to be storage underneath. And we also have the option to do any sort of custom tackle storage that the next owner would like to have. We've hopped down the engine room, and as you pan around and look, you can see it's going to be a high gloss white top coat. The guys are currently in here actively working on engine beds, as you can see, stringer caps. They'll have a Delta T system, be a forward generator shelf. This boat is going to be set up for stabilization. It's basically an a la carte. You can give us a menu and tell us what you want, and we'll tell you if we can make it happen or not. The boat is going to be set up with a demister system, so it'll eliminate any salt water coming into the engine room. Battery boxes are going to be in a contained box, and those are going to be sealed and contained. The boat has brand new fuel tanks, has brand new water tanks. Pretty much everything on this boat will be new. New wiring, new plumbing. I can't emphasize enough that it's essentially a brand new boat. So we're getting ready to hop out of the engine room, and we're going to go aft to the Lazarette and check out the rudder shelf for the new steering mechanism. So in the cockpit, this boat does not have an aft Lazarette hatch, but it has a fully finished, painted, faired tunnel that leads back to the rudder shelf and the aft Lazarette. On the steering shelf, it's all new steering, Optima steering, all new rudder tubes, rudder bearings, exhaust tubes, all new exhaust, top coated yet again. Wipe it down with a paper towel and go on down the road. There's a ton of storage back here, and it looks like a brand new boat. The boat is originally a 2002 hull, and it's going to have a 2026, 2027 refit date on it. The industry has embraced the refit signature, insurance, financing, so we can't change the hull number from when it was built in 2002, but the refit date will carry on with the boat. The boat's going to have Caterpillar C18s, which are 1150 horsepower. It's spec'd out for ZF gears, 20 kW Northern Lights generator. There's still a lot of options to go through. What electronics do you want? What paint scheme do you want? What upholsteries do you want? What stabilizers do you want? So there's a lot left to be done. There are a lot of decisions that need to be made. The boat is currently being offered for sale, and we're ready for a new owner. So give me a call. Let's have a discussion about your new 58 Ritchie Howell.